The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to be one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, with recent leaks suggesting it will be a major step forward. Early rumors suggested the device would be around 9mm to 9.5mm when closed and about 4.5mm when unfolded. However, a newer leak claimed it could be just 8.4mm thick when closed, which sounded almost too good to be true. Ice Universe, one of the most trusted leakers in the game, has now confirmed that the Fold 7 measures 8.9mm when closed and only 3.9mm when open, making it even thinner than the current champion, the Oppo Find N5. The Fold 7 is expected to feature a massive 8-inch inner screen compared to the Fold SIXS 7.6-inch. It is also expected to have dramatically thinner bezels, just 1mm on the inside, a huge drop from the 1.9mm on the Fold 6. Even Samsung's S25 Ultra only has 1.32mm bezels, making the foldable not just slimmer, but also sleeker and more immersive. A redesigned hinge adds to the refinement, making it more compact and potentially improving durability and water resistance. The outer cover display is also wider, giving it a more traditional smartphone feel when folded. Design-wise, Samsung is clearly aiming to elevate the look and feel of the Fold 7 to premium territory. A symmetrical build, flatter form factor, and an under-disc selfie camera contribute to a cleaner, more polished aesthetic. The slimmer profile and reduced weight make the device feel more comfortable for daily use. The Fold 7 will pack a 4,400 mAh battery, the same as the Fold 6, and it will stick with 25-watt charging. However, there is a twist. Samsung is reportedly using new battery and charging tech. It is unclear exactly what that means just yet, but if the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip delivers better efficiency, battery life could still see a meaningful upgrade. Despite the excitement, the Fold 7 still looks like it could be the foldable phone that finally convinces skeptics to make the jump. It is bigger, thinner, and more refined than ever. With a potential July launch during Samsung's annual Galaxy Unpacked event, we won't have to wait long to see it in action. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.